welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the default clothes in Roblox avatar. Of course, Roblox automatically adds the default clothing when no classic shirts or pants are worn. So how to remove those? First of all, you'll need to go to your avatar. Whether you are on the web or the application, go on this list panel, you should find avatar. So let me just show you as well on roblox.com. So in here on the website, you should find example again your avatar on the list panel. Go and click on it. I'll show you both in both options. So as an example on the application, let's just start with that. So on the application, once you click on your avatar, you'll find an example here your avatar. You'll be able to click on clothing. And in here, an example, you'll find a lot of free clothing that you can wear. So just go and choose one of the free options. And once you click on it, you will be able per default to change the default, of course, clothing. You can also use some other ones as example. So as you can see, there are a lot of free options. So choose the one that you want. Of course, the default t-shirts, you can also change the pants as example. You should find example free ones, but if you didn't, you will have to go and buy them as example if you want to. That's basically live. And yeah. So once you apply the ones that you like, just go and click on example on this free option. And basically you'll have to click on get depending on whatever you choose. If you choose something with paid, you'll have to go and pay for it with the Roblox, of course, points. And it should be basically just equipped right away. So this example for the application, for the website is going to be the same. So an example here, just go and refresh. And basically in here, I'm going to clothing again. And in this clothing, I'm just going here to t-shirts example, and I'll be able to change to whatever I want. Of course, I can go and look for free ones. The same will be an example for sweaters, jackets, pants, shorts, every other thing. So just go and choose the one that you want. And if you have to pay for it, you'll have to pay for it. If it's free, you'll find the free option. You can just go and get it, and it will be equipped by default. So as you can see, some of them, as you can see, is very cheap. This is not very cheap. You can find some 5 Robux ones if you want to. Of course, you can also, if you want to, try. So I'm not going both because it's both the same way. You can also, an example, to change the color of your torso. You can go, an example, to customize here at the top. And once you click on customize, you'll have to go and choose torsos. And of course, you'll be able to change the torsos however you want. You can also, of course, change the color after. Of course, you can find even some customized here ones if you want to buy them as well. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.